What's good, you guys? It's been a while, and I'm back. So 2 days back, we saw India Pakistan, and epic clash, epic rivalry, and ending as a nail biter. But it didn't started that well as we expected because we saw our batting collapse, and what happened was the conditions were in favor of Pakistan, and I knew it. Naseem Shah को help मिलने वाली, and that's why toss was a major factor. And Pakistan won the toss and invited India to bat, and India put up a target of 119, and वहाँ India को collapse हुआ. I was hyped up. I went for the screening for this match, and with all that enthusiasm of seeing Virat Kohli, delivering yet another masterclass against Pakistan. We were all hopeful for that, but it didn't go that well, and with the dismissal of Virat Kohli, we all got upset, and that's what happened. Then Rohit got out. Then Akshar Patel came up, and to be honest, at first I thought that's a stupid move because why you are going at back foot already. Sending Akshar at that moment I thought was not appropriate, but I think he scored 20 runs, and Virat Rohit के अगर हम कंबाइन करें तब भी वो 20 रन नहीं होते हैं, इवन शिवम दुबे. So Akshar का वो knock maybe at some point of extent was important. Then Hardik came up. Hardik was disappointment with the bat, not with the ball. And Rishabh Pant, amazing batting by Rishabh Pant. He again stood up. And I was seeing some scorecard of 2021 World Cup, and I saw there also Rishabh Pant stood up for us. But Pakistan came up batting, and then we all left the screening firstly after the first inning because we all were disappointed with India's performance. And उसके बाद Pakistan came up to bat, and I was not interested. I just I kept myself distant from this match also because I was having a look at Roland Garros final, and because my favorite Carlos Alcaraz was in the finals, so I had to keep an eye on that also. So in between the match also I was keep on switching between that match India Pakistan and this Roland Garros final. But उसकी बात हम अलग वीडियो में करेंगे. And so I didn't follow the Pakistan's batting. I don't know what happened, but I do follow the last 3 overs. And आखिर के 3 ओवर में what I have heard is Jasprit Bumrah exceptionally well, and he's a gold dust player for us. He's been masterclass, and he came to bowl the 17th over, I guess. He gave only 3 or 5 runs and took 2 wickets as well, and then again bowled the 19th over. And that's why you always say that big match players delivers on the big matches, and Virat Kohli in 2022, and now it's Jasprit Bumrah. Amazing bowling by Jasprit Bumrah. Even Arshdeep bowled really well in the 20th over. So India won the match. Then coming to India-USA match tonight, and this will be an amazing match for Virat Kohli. And so Virat Kohli have been an amazing player, but he's been struggling. But it also happens because when you are such a big player, there's always certain kind of reputation added to your name, and that's what's happening with Virat Kohli. To what I have seen in the first 2 matches of Virat Kohli, he's been in a hurry. I think so, and that's maybe because to match the new T20 template which he also followed up in the IPL. So to cope up with that pressure, he is not able to replicate his original game. But I think Virat will be coming back stronger in the USA match. He's a champion player. He doesn't need any kind of added responsibility. He just needs to show his original game. एंड देन क्या आप यूजी और कुलदीप में से किसी को खिला सकते हो? तो शायद आप किसी एक पेसर को रेस करके कुलदीप या यूजी को मौका दे सकते हो, बिकॉज वेस्ट इंडीज़ में ऐसा नहीं होगा. वेस्ट इंडीज़ में देर बी मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट आपके स्पिनर्स. सो आई थिंक वन ऑफ द स्पिनर्स विल बी गेटिंग अ चांस टू प्ले अगेंस्ट यूएसए, आइदर कुलदीप और यूजी. एंड देन यूएसए की थोड़ी बात कर लेते हैं. देन मोनांग पटेल, he'll be coming at the toss against Rohit Sharma. And today I was watching an interview where Monang Patel was saying Rohit is one of his favorite batsmen, and it will be a proud moment for him as well. And then आप देखो गुजरात से आते हैं मोनांग पटेल, and he's been doing an absolute job for USA, and he was the first USA player जिन्होंने 50 ओवर फॉर्मेट में USA के लिए 100 बनाया. And then अपने सौरभ नेत्रवलकर हैं, he's been a software engineer gaining a lot of popularity on social media as well nowadays. And he played India under-19 World Cup in 2010, जिनमें इनके टीममेट्स रहे थे मयंक अग्रवाल, हर्षल पटेल, KL राहुल, संदीप शर्मा. एंड अमेजिंग प्लेयर. मुंबई से भी इनने शायद एक रणजी ट्रॉफी का मैच खेला है, मुंबई से आते हैं. एंड देन यू गॉट अली खान इज़ देयर फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान. Then Jones is there from West Indies, so they have got a good West Indies connection as well. And अच्छे खासे प्लेयर्स हैं इनके पास. हरमीत सिंह है इनके पास, जिन्होंने भी under-19 खेल चुका है, वो भी इंडिया से आते हैं. And then Corey Anderson, amazing player of his time, still having a little in him. And then Corey Anderson, अगर मौका मिलता है, he'll be a amazing asset to watch out for. सो ये एक यूएसए की टीम है जो इकट्ठा की गई है. पूरे एशिया के कुछ प्लेयर्स हैं, एंड देन कुछ वेस्ट इंडियंस हैं आपके, जो एक अनफिनिश्ड ड्रीम रहता है. सो इट्स अ कलेक्टिव एफर्ट जो उनकी कंट्री में उनका पूरा नहीं हो पाया, बट दे आर वर्किंग हार्ड, एंड वो यूएसए में आके दे आर मेकिंग इट पॉसिबल फॉर देम. So I use best wishes for USA as well for showcasing a good display of cricket, and it tells of the hard work they are putting in, and I'm gearing for this good match, and I hope Virat scores now and India wins, because India जीतती है तो almost Super 8 की गारंटी हो जाएगी.